Hey, Crispy.
Yeah?
It's time to stop working at home. We're going back to school.
Oh yeah, I got the email. Mr. Horky said we're gonna go back part of the day. That's exciting. I gotta go find my mask. Where's that mask? I know we just washed him. We're gonna... Oh! All right, Mr. Ricker, I'm ready to be safe at school.
We're ready to be safe at school.
What's next?
Well, before we can even talk about going back to school, we gotta celebrate those This Is It kids.
Will you fix my mask? I don't have any arms.
You bet. Here we go. Looks like you're ready to go.
Thank you. Did you wash your hands?
I always wash my hands.
Me too.
Or use hand sanitizer.
Or use both.
Or both. All times of the day. So before we kick it over, let's celebrate those This Is It kiddos.
This is it.
This is it. Mr. Horky's gonna celebrate them.
Mr. Horky! Mr. Horky!
Mr. Horky, take it away.
Yay!
Good morning, Bacon Bulldogs. Happy Friday. We have missed you at school and look forward to having you back in the building starting next week. Your teachers have been practicing wearing their masks. We hope you have too. It's time to recognize second grade students who have been responsible during the month of September. Thank you, teachers, for helping your students be responsible by using the This Is It Key of Excellence. Second grade winners for the month of September are, first, Jacob Brewer by Ms. Walsh. Jacob has demonstrated being responsible by taking ownership of his remote learning, responsibly reaching out to teachers when he needs, and working hard to keep learning. From Mr. Cahey's class, Kian Malone. Kian has done a beautiful job of being a responsible second grader. He shows up to class on time every day, and he works very hard to complete all of his assignments. I am so proud of the hard work Kian is doing in the classroom. Awesome job, Kian. From Ms. Locke, we have Daniel Rodriguez. Daniel has jumped right into place at his new school this year. He is always in class, focused and working hard toward success as a Bulldog. We are so pleased you've joined us at Bacon and are so proud of the work you are doing. From Mrs. Mize/Murphy's class, Sophia Burks. Sophia is such a responsible Bacon Bulldog. Even when she is learning at home, she works hard and stays focused on her learning. She has so many amazing ideas to share with the class, and we love working with her. Keep up the great work, Sophia. From Mrs. Murphy's class, we have Nike Kruger. Nike has been such an awesome addition to the Bacon Bulldog School. She is such a responsible and eager learner, and she brings so many fantastic ideas to our class. Every morning she joins our meeting and is ready to learn. Way to go, Nike. And from Mr. Gherkin's second grade class, we have Ayla Rahman. Ayla has done a wonderful job this year. She is always prepared for learning, she completes her assignments, and demonstrates the responsibility to be successful in remote learning. Now that it's October, we want to keep being responsible because I know you can do it. Your teachers will be teaching you this month about the key of ownership. At Bacon, we want everyone to own their choices by being kind, using nice words, and following directions. Thanks for being amazing Bacon Bulldogs. We look forward to seeing you next week.
Guess what?
What?
I got a dog!
You got a dog? Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Uh-oh. Crispy.
What?
Dog-
I don't want to eat me.
Dogs like bacon.
No,